Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to find the product when we're using fractions. So product is always going to be multiplication. And so what we're going to do first is we're going to multiply the top two numbers, which is our numerators, and 3 times 2 is going to give us 6. And then we're going to multiply our denominators, which is 10 times 5. And when we do 10 times 5, it's going to give us 50. When we get our product, it's going to be 6 over 50. And then we have to look at the number and see if it's simplified, and it's not. It needs to be in simplest forms. And the way we do that is we divide both numbers by 2. And that was going to give us 3 over 25. Now, or we can just simplify it first. And when we simplify it first, we are going to take our 2 and we're going to divide that by 2. And we're going to take our 10 divided by that by 2. And that will give us a 1 on top and a 5 at the bottom. That, of course, is going to be simpler than if we divide it the other way after we've done the product all together. So our simplified answer is going to be 3 over 25 or 325.